Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tabbouleh salad. The ingredients are bulgur, chopped cucumber in very small slices, sweet pepper, lime or lemon, mint, and some spring onions, tomato, and a lot of parsley because this is the main ingredient. You're also going to need some olive oil and salt. So let's get started. So everyone, let's start making our easy Lebanese healthy recipe. We're going to keep our lemon or lime and mint for serving time, but now let's just put everything in. Then we're gonna add in the next thing. That was satisfying to do. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, around that much, and a little bit of salt. Look how cute it is. That's good. And now let's toss it around. Alright, now it's time to squeeze our lemon and add in our mint. Now let's mix that in. Then, last but not least, we're going to be adding in our mint. We're just gonna grab a little bit and break it with our hands. Let's mix in our mint. This is so good. I think I want to try some now. So I'm going to add in some in my bowl. And now it's time to try it. Delicious. Now let me have a time to swallow. I love it because the pepper makes it sweet. The olive oil gives a special olive taste, and I love the mint. This is a perfect salad for school. It also counts as a delicious snack because you can have this as your snack. Really nice, easy, and healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Turn those post notifications on and follow me on Instagram at Sarah the Little Baker. Bye! See you next time!